Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to download and install GIMP. So before we do that, let's talk a little bit about the GIMP software. What exactly is GIMP? GIMP is actually short for the GNU Image Manipulation Program. It's actually a free and open source image editing software, meaning you can find it free on the internet and you can download it onto your device. GIMP runs on a number of different operating systems, including Linux, the Mac operating system, Windows, and a few others. So you might be wondering at this point, who exactly uses GIMP and what GIMP can be used for? GIMP can be used for a number of different things. GIMP can be used for creation or the manipulation of high quality photos and high quality photo manipulation itself. You can create original artwork and you can use GIMP to create or to produce graphic design elements such as logos and other desktop publishing items. Who exactly uses GIMP? GIMP can be used by a lot of different people, and it is actually used by professional graphic designers, professional photographers, book and magazine illustrators, scientists, basically anyone who has an interest or is interested in graphic design. So without further ado, let's get started. Here you see I have Google Chrome opened up on my device. I'm now going to search for GIMP, and our search takes us to www.gimp.org. We're going to go to gimp.org and let's download the software. Right, if you look through the GIMP website, you will learn a little bit more about the software, but let's begin our download process. So we click on the download button and we can decide what version of GIMP we would like to download and how we would like to download. I'm going to download GIMP 2.10.28 directly. I click on the download button and the download begins. We now have to wait for the download to be completed and then we can start the installation process. This may take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed and the speed of your device or how powerful your device is. So while we wait for the download process to take place, you can see the software slowly being downloaded onto the system. According to this progress bar, it will be an additional 40 seconds to wait while the downloading process continues and before it is completed. As you can see now, the download process, has been completed, and we can now click on the downloaded app to begin the installation. As we click on the downloaded app, we can now install for all users. GIMP is now asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? The answer is yes. We now need to select a language to use during the installation process. English is my language of preference. You should also choose English and click on OK. Here now, we have the choice of installing GIMP. We click on the install button and we wait for the installation process to complete. Again, this may take a few minutes, so you simply have to wait for the process to run through its steps. Again, this will take a few minutes, so please be patient while your computer does what it needs to do in order to get the installation complete. As you can see, we've made a lot of progress, but we're still not there yet. So again, patience. Now we've gotten to the point where setup has completed and we need to exit setup. So click on finish. Once setup is complete, you need to open the app. And it is now ready to go. To open the app, you simply click on your Start button and you go to the recently added GIMP app, and of course, you open up the app. Here you see GIMP is ready and you can begin working. Before I end this video, I'd just like to point out one thing. The version of GIMP downloaded onto my device was the Windows version, meaning I downloaded GIMP for a Windows laptop computer. If you are downloading GIMP for a device that is not a Windows laptop or desktop computer, you need to state or select the proper version of GIMP to download. So where do you find this proper version? Let's quickly go back to the GIMP website. When you click on the download button and you get to this point here, you have the different operating systems listed. Here now you need to go through and find your operating system and download the version of GIMP that will work on your device. Again, please verify the version of the app you are downloading is compatible with your device. I hope this video helps and that your installation and your download and installation process goes smoothly and you have fun using the app. Until our next video, bye for now.